Hi! In front of me is REALME C35 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now choose Agree and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. Then tap on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now click on the right button again to access list of all your recordings. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, and select pin icon at the top right corner. Then select Allow in the pop-up. But you can also hold it, click on those three dots at the top right corner, and rename your recording however you wish to. When you're ready, select Save. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!